In this tutorial, I'll show you how to obtain free quality backlinks for your YouTube videos. Let's dive right in. Visit nimtools.com/YouTube-backlink-generator. This tool automatically generates quality backlinks for your YouTube videos. Copy and paste your video link into the designated box on the website. Confirm that you are not a robot, then click Submit. The tool automatically posts your video to approximately 80 websites, blogs, and other video hosting sites. Each link created on these sites will serve as a backlink to your video, helping it rank in search results and increasing visibility to new audiences globally. Backlinks are also important for SEO, enhancing your video's views and traction. Wait until the process is complete. You will see a confirmation from each site indicating that the posting succeeded. Let's check one out. For example, this one got posted to a YouTube clone in Asia. Once all links are created, you are set up for your next video backlink generation. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If so, please consider giving it a like, sharing the video, and subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next video.